I am calling today's wellness shot Mean Green because the ingredients in this drink mean business, you guys. It boasts health benefits such as being anti-inflammatory, it aids in digestive issues, antioxidant in nature, and also it will assist in weight loss, ridding your body of bad cholesterol, and also help with hypertension. Thank you guys so much for being here today. I told you this thing means business. And as you can see, these are the ingredients I'm going to use to put this together. So you guys, without further ado, let's make this Mean Green wellness shot. The ingredients that I'm using for this Mean Green wellness shot are cucumber, lime, spinach, and some celery. And if you prefer to have this a little bit more on the sweet side, then you can also add some apple as well. So the first thing that I did, you guys, was I cleaned my spinach thoroughly with some cool water along with some baking soda. So now that that has been done, and I also dried it in my salad spinner, let's go ahead and add this into our mixing container. All right, the next thing we're gonna do is slice up our cucumber. And add this in. Next, our celery. And then some lime. All right, you guys. So because some of these ingredients have water in them naturally, I'm just going to start off with maybe a quarter cup of water. And then, of course, if I need to add more, then I can do exactly that. So let's go ahead and put the lid on this. Okay, everyone. Now this is ready to strain. Okay, into my organic nut milk bag, I will pour in our drink. And proceed to strain out all of the liquid so we're left with nothing but pulp in this bag. All right, you guys, now this is done. All we need to do is to pour this off into our storage container and then drink to our health. All right, guys, and here we have it, this Mean Green wellness shot. Here's to our health. Lord, I thank you. I have to say, this particular one would probably be a little bit more difficult for somebody to take as far as the taste is concerned because it really is not sweet whatsoever. But I will tell you, this lime that I put in it definitely enhances the flavor because otherwise it's just going to be like you're drinking a salad without the salad dressing. But you guys, I do not mind this flavor at all. But as an enhancement, you probably would add maybe orange to it, and that definitely would enhance the flavor for those that can't take drinking a salad. But other than that, you guys, I absolutely love this. This is going to remain as part of one of my wellness drinks because, again, the ingredients in it, they mean business. Thank you guys so very much for joining me. And if you're joining me for the first time or returning and not yet subscribed to my channel, please do me the honor of doing so by pressing that subscribe button below, and also remember to give this video a like and a share. And you guys remember, it is a great day, and you continue to make it your own kind of special. And until we meet again, keep growing, keep thriving, keep pushing those boundaries, and I will see you all real soon on my next Fit 550. And enjoy.